Hi, my name is Virat, and today I'm going to tell you about my rock, paper, scissors presentation. My goal was to make a rock, paper, scissors game. My design was to make a rock, paper, scissors game with buttons using Python and Tkinter. Also in my design there's a scoreboard and a CPU opponent. This is my program, and over here this is where I imported pictures. I tested this project a lot of times. One problem I had was making the picture show up. I fixed this by changing some errors in my code. To improve this game, I would make it so that you fight a player instead of an opponent. This is my demo. Over here, this is my game, and this is rock, this is paper, and this is scissors, and this is a restart button. So if you click rock, then it tells you what the computer picked, and it tells either if it's a tie, if you win or if you lose. And here's the scoreboard, and it shows each of the scores. And if you click the restart button, everything resets back to 0.
All right, any questions?